So what you been up to this week, Gav? Well, let me show you. So what should we start? House number one or house number two? I think well, house number one, top floor has been, flooring's down. The skirts and that are all getting glossed and the doors are getting glossed. This is going to be painted in 2 days. The back wall there is ready for the front door, but we've got a bit of construction work to do there. So that's what we've been up to that house. And the lads this side have been busy digging out the floor. So we've got a big opening there now. That wall's come out ready to be put back up in the blocks. So we've had to take the floor down roughly about 15 centimetres, 16 centimetres, because then that gives us 5 centimetres of polystyrene insulation and 10 centimetres of concrete, so it'd be nice and solid. And also we had to dig it out because we want it all one level, and because 2 different floors are different heights, only by about that much, obviously it would have meant a step, which we don't want, so that's why we dug that out. And that is it for this week's video, guys. At the minute we are on, I believe, let me just check, we are on 98 subscribers, almost there, guys. two more, and to celebrate my 100th goal, I'm gonna let you guys set me a challenge. It can be eating challenge, drinking challenge, press up challenge, whatever you guys want. Leave what you guys want me to do in the comments, and the best one will obviously I will do as soon as I hit that 100 goal. So make sure that you guys are sharing these videos, liking them, commenting, because we're getting there. We're making good progress, not only on the jobs but on the channel, so thank you. And yeah, you guys are, oh, little sneak peek, because this video was filmed 3 weeks after that bit where I cut there. So yeah, keep following on, guys, and let me know what challenge you want me to do. Peace.